This might be the most addictive mac and cheese you'll ever make. Every time I make this, the pan, it comes back empty.
I'm Johnny Mac, and this is the Sauce and Gravy channel.
Let me quickly show you how to make buffalo chicken mac and cheese. Begin with a touch of prep work. Start cooking your macaroni, 16 ounces or 454 grams. Cook and shred 3 chicken breasts, that's about 4 to 5 cups. If you'd like to use a rotisserie chicken, knock yourself out. It's homemade, make it how you like it. Next up to bat, the spicy cheese sauce. Add 2 tablespoons or 28 grams of unsalted butter to a high-sided saucepan. For this buffalo chicken mac recipe, you'll mix all of the ingredients together in the end in this pan, so you'll want it to be as large as possible. The saucepan I'm using will hold comfortably 4 liters, that's approximately 4.2 quarts. When the butter is fully melted, drop in 2 tablespoons or 16 grams of all-purpose flour. This is going to make the sauce for your easy mac and cheese recipe nice and thick. And I do have easy to follow step-by-step printable recipes for channel members. Join today and cook along with me more closely, as well as help support the channel. Cook the roux, the butter flour mixture, for 2 to 3 minutes over low to medium heat. Stir frequently. Moving forward, it's time to add 1.5 cups or 375 milliliters of milk to your roux. Break out your whisk, give it a good mix, make sure that the roux is up off the bottom of the pan, cook it over medium heat. Round up a spoon or spatula, use it to get the roux out of the crack between the side and bottom of the pan. Keep stirring and bring the sauce to a light simmer. Once it starts to simmer, it'll noticeably become thick. Once the sauce is thick and coats the back of a spoon and passes the line test, you're ready to move forward with the next step of this creamy mac and cheese process. Snag your cream cheese, 8 ounces or 226 grams. Room temperature cream cheese that has been cut up works best for this comfort food recipe. Stir it all in over low heat until it's well mixed into the sauce. I like to use cream cheese for my baked chicken buffalo mac and cheese recipes because it helps make the sauce extra smooth and prevents the cheese sauce from becoming too grainy. After the cream cheese has been mixed in, round up 2 cups or 226 grams of mild cheddar cheese and drop it in. Mild cheddar cheese is the perfect choice for this baked chicken pasta recipe. Sharp cheddar can overpower the buffalo sauce. Mild cheddar, it keeps everything balanced and creamy. Here's another tip for you to help keep the sauce from becoming grainy. Make sure that your heat is on low or off altogether. Once the cheese is well mixed in, it's time to move forward with this spicy mac and cheese recipe by adding some additional flavor. Begin by adding 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, add 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and another 1/8 teaspoon of crushed black pepper. Top it off with a pinch or 2 of salt. And last but not least, add 3/4 cup or 188 milliliters of a buffalo hot wing sauce of your choice. And it's truly amazing how the buffalo sauce works so well with cheese. The tanginess of the buffalo sauce cuts through the rich cheese and keeps every bite balanced. Round up a whisk or a spatula and mix until everything is well combined over low heat. And I'm sure that you can already tell by just looking at this sauce come together that this homemade mac and cheese recipe will be perfect for a game day food or a family dinner recipe. The next step of the process is to add the shredded chicken to the cheese sauce. Drop it in and mix it in over low heat. Shredded chicken works best for this chicken pasta recipe, better than cubed. The shredded chicken grabs onto the sauce, giving you flavor in every single bite. After you give it a good mix, it's time to grab the pasta and drop it in. Depending on the size of your pan, you may either want to drop it in batches or add it all in at once. This homemade mac and cheese recipe really just crushes the box version. You want to know why? Because it has real cheese, real chicken, and real flavor. There's just no comparison. Give this cheesy pasta recipe a quick mix over low heat. At this point in the process, you have 2 choices. You can either eat it like this, ooey and gooey, or you can pop it into the oven for a baked macaroni and cheese. Either way, you can't go wrong, so today I'm having both. For the baked macaroni and cheese, butter a baking dish and then add your mac and cheese to it. Add at least 2 tablespoons or 30 milliliters of buffalo wing sauce to the top of the mac and cheese. You can add more if you like. Sprinkle on enough shredded mild cheddar cheese to cover the top. Cook uncovered in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 176 Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes or until golden brown on top. And that's all there is to it. That's how you make a buffalo chicken mac and cheese. It's great for picnics, football party food, or easy dinner ideas. Thank you so much for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. Hope that you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, be sure to hit that like button. And hey, you know what? If you liked it, share it with your friends. They might like it too. Thanks again for watching. And remember, until next time, it's just you, me, and the sauces. Keep whisking, y'all.